Yeah, 2012, Ratchet Ghost. Shoot 'em like a mobster, party like a rock